Hey, it's Jason. I'm sitting in my 2003 Land Rover Range Rover L322. This has the BMW V8, and this is the one that I rescued from the junkyard. I'm driving it this week. And I've done a few driving videos of other vehicles where I basically mount the camera as if you were sitting in the driver's seat, and I drive. I'm not going to talk. You're going to hear the engine, you're going to hear the noise, and you're going to be able to experience what this 18-year-old L322 sounds like. It's cicada season in Maryland. If you don't know what a cicada is, it's a bug that comes out of the ground and makes tons and tons of noise once every 17 years. And it's really good because it will show you how quiet this ride is. Of all the vehicles in my car collection, even though the L322s have their issues, I love them. I like how quiet they are inside. I love the air suspension, all the amenities, and the overall luxurious feel of the vehicle. But most importantly, when you're driving, you don't hear a lot. So I'm going to be quiet and open up the door, and you can hear what it sounds like outside. I hope. So you can probably hear all of those cicadas making noises. But when you shut the door, peace and quiet. So let's go ahead and get driving. I'm going to go on about a 5-minute drive or so to pick up my son. I'm going to mount this camera and just be quiet. Enjoy the ride and enjoy what it's like if you've never been in a 2003 Land Rover Range Rover L322 with the BMW V8. All right, buckle up. I have the AC on, and let's drive. I do have the AC on, if you hear that, and I'm going to be hitting speeds that top about 55 miles per hour. I'll let you know as I hit those speeds. It is May 25th, 2021, 82 degrees outside, and lots of pollen and cicadas. So right now I'm going 45 miles per hour. right now I'm rolling at 30, and I'm going to go to do an acceleration. Up to 50. This 2003 Land Rover Range Rover L322 has 218,000 miles on it. It is the original engine and the original transmission. Right now, and I'll let it glide and slow down. I'll take these turns at about 40. The weight of this vehicle and the air suspension just really let you be the king of the road and take these turns at a nice speed. I'm going 40, about 35 right now, and just gliding around them. So that was just going over milled pavement. They're pulling the pavement up. He hit some pretty big bumps there, but it handles them very nice. Alright, well that is going to conclude the ride along in the 2003 Land Rover Range Rover L322 with the BMW V8. I hope that enabled you to experience what it's like sitting in the passenger seat and at least get a sense for how the engine sounds inside the car with the windows and everything shut, and kind of overall the handling to the extent it can. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out my blog, www.jamz.net, for more Land Rover DIY and general car videos and adventures. Have a great day.